Hey guys, it's Jolin and Juli.
Hello.
Yes, we are in my car. Welcome back to my channel. And I can't say welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, but welcome to my car, which is now parked in Pasadena. With the time change and the light going down at 4 p.m., it is currently now almost 5 p.m. And if we don't film this video now, we won't get a haul video. So this is our first haul video in the car. We have a bunch of plants. Juli went she went crazy at the plant shop. Yeah. And I'm really excited because this is the first time I've had Juli on my channel today, and this is now the third video you are featured on in one day. So this is our third video of the day. Thumbs up the video for Juli being a good sport and being in 3 videos for today, and it's her first time on my channel. So I think what I'm gonna do is we'll go ahead and talk about your plants first, and then we'll talk about mine at the end because I got 2, but Juli got 6, and they're really all interesting and cool. Yes. So I'll go ahead and talk about the first one maybe.
Okay.
That you.
So this is the first plant.
Try, but here, this is what the name of the plant is.
Yeah.
And then this is.
And basically, it's like
the condition of the plant is pretty cool. If you take a look here, there's a new baby leaf peeking through here.
Yep.
If you can see that, I love how the camera's able to pick that up. But there it is. Juli, tell me, why did you get this plant?
Because I think it's going to grow tall and thin with big leaves.
And so that's the look
that's the goal, and I want to see how that grows and what happens.
I think that's one of my favorite ones in your haul.
It's really, really pretty. I don't know. If you guys
and how much was that? Do you remember?
This one was $15.
Okay, $15, guys.
So I like it. And then the second one is similar because I like the same style.
Skinny and old.
And this one here is skinny and tall. And he has pointy leaves, which is very cool. They kind of look like spades.
Yeah, so this is a Ficus religiosa. I'll go ahead and bring that close so you guys can see that.
And it was also not too expensive.
How much was this, Juli?
$15.
So here's a closer look of this guy. He's really fun too, Juli.
Pretty.
I love that. I love the vibe of that one. Super cool.
And then I got one that is kind of a stranger. I'm going to say stranger. And the lady said he's going to grow up to look like a pineapple.
This is the name of the euphorbia. And I love how if you look really closely up here, you can see like almost like a interesting top there. But you said it's going to come like into a pineapple shape.
And then it's going to have long skinny leaves coming out of it.
Okay,
so
interesting.
This one was $25. I got this super duper pretty viney little thing that's kind of coming out of a stone. You can't really see it, but it's like kind of coming out of a little stone, and it's viney, and the stone will grow fatter and the vines will grow long, and they're also skinny, kind of spade shaped hearts.
And if you take a look here, guys, like it's like a dark green and then also green. There's just different variations of green on here. I really love this one because the hearts are an interesting shape as well. Very cool. You definitely need to keep the IDs on each plant because they're strange. And
then 2 more. This one here has a larger bulb, gigantic leaves that are like really big. That's really, really big.
Juli, I thought you have this plant already, no?
I have similars. They're in the same family.
Yeah.
The same family of like big bulb style plants.
Okay.
Which I really like.
And dainty vines.
And the vine is beautiful. This one is the most different for me because there is not a bulb.
Is this your last one?
Yes. Some are circles, some are hearts, some are like octagons. I don't understand why.
Yeah, so this is a senecio. I'm not even going to try to attempt that. But, which brings me to mine's, because I got the same one as Juli.
Yes.
And how much was this running as, Juli?
$14.95.
Okay, so here's mine. As you can see. So, you want to put ours side by side?
Yes. These are the same plant. Really super duper pretty.
Yeah. Super cool. So, Juli imagined this in my bathroom. So, we'll see if we have a spot on the little seal. And then I'm going to wrap up the video, this car haul, as the sun is going down with this guy here. And this is a Delosperma dietri. So as you can see, it's a very interesting succulent. And the reason why I got this was because I've never seen this before. I don't think. He's really, really cool. But that is going to wrap up our little car haul. It is getting dark and it's only 5 p.m. and this was the only way that we were able to share this on the channel. So thank you, Julie, so much for sharing your plant babies with us. I can't wait to see it styled in your home. So we're going to have to do an updated plant tour at some point. And I can't wait to see how you style them. If you guys enjoyed this car plant haul out in Pasadena, California, we are parked at a coffee shop parking lot. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified whenever I do an upload. I try to do daily uploads on this channel, guys, which is like, it's not easy, but I definitely love sharing plant life with you guys. And it's so cool that I get to film content in Southern California this weekend. So that was fun. Julie got me out of my bubble. And this was like 25 miles. So this is kind of out of the way. It was definitely like a perfect day to do a come with me to Julie's plant nursery that she absolutely adores, and I can see why. It's definitely cool, and it was definitely a botanical museum there.
It's a museum for sure.
So I'm gonna end this video now because it's getting dark and we're gonna head back in LA traffic. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Find more on ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Pasadena, California. Bye. Bye-bye.